Okay, so in this video we're gonna find the largest and smallest number in an array. So first we need to make our project. Largest and smallest number in an array. Okay, enter this window. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is make an array. So we'll say int, I think you can do it this way. Int array equals new, can I do it like that? New array? No, new int 10, like that. Wow, hopefully this works. Because Java does some weird stuff. Okay, so what I did was I declared an array with 10 integers. So this object can hold 10 integers. And now, since we're looking for the smallest and largest number, we want to do, it'd be best to do numbers that we don't actually know are in the array. So we can do random, we can fill it up with random numbers. So to do that we need to import random class. So random r equals new random, and then we need to import this, so alt enter. Cool. So now we have our random objects to get our numbers. Oops, these need to be indented. Okay. So now we want to fill the array. So we'll need a for loop. So for int I equals 0, I less than 10 because we have 10 numbers in our array, and then increment, and then bam. Okay, so now we have to fill the array, and we're starting at 0 because that's how arrays are counted. They start at 0 all the way up to 1 minus the number you actually put, so 0 to 9. So we say array, array I is equal to r.nextInt, and what that'll do is it should generate a random number. How about this? We'll make it generate a random number from 1 to 100. So if you just put 100 in these parentheses, it'll do 0 to 99. But if you do +1 outside the parentheses, it'll do 1 to 100. So this will generate a random number from 1 to 100. And then this will loop all the way through, and this should fill the array. Okay. Next. Just for cosmetic sake, I like to see things when I'm writing out programs. So what I'll do is I'll make it show me what numbers are actually filled in the array. Oops. So the numbers filled in the array are, and then we can say plus array. I guess we could hard code this. Yeah, we could hard code it plus, and just to save time, actually we'll make it do this. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so this will print out the numbers in the array, but we want to make it a little neat. So let me put a comma and a space. Yeah. So let me just add this after everything. We want a comma and a space. Yeah, that should work. Okay. That should be good. Yeah. So this will tell me exactly what the numbers are in the array. Okay, so now we need to make our function. So yeah. Okay. So we'll call it largest. Actually, let's just write it first. So public static int. Actually, can I do that? Actually, it's fine. How do I want to write this? I think it's fine if I do it like that. Then we want name. So we're going to pass the array into this function that'll find the largest number. And now, what do we do? Okay, we'll keep an integer, which will be our largest number. Okay, and then we're gonna loop through again. So int I equals 0, int less than 10, or I less than 10, and then int I plus plus, and then yep. Okay, so we're gonna find the largest number. So the first number has to be the largest number. We're gonna assume the first number is the largest number. Yeah. Array I. Oops. Oh. Okay. So the first number. Oh no. Okay, let me write it like this. If I is equal to 0, largest number. Oops. If I is equal to 0, then largest number is equal to array I. So this will make sure. Oh my god, I keep digging. This will make sure that the first number is always going to be the largest number. That we're assuming that the first number is the largest number. Okay, so after that, we have to check to see if it's actually larger or not. So, okay, so, if largest number is less than a of I, then, okay, what's wrong here? Might not have been initialized. Whatever, let's say it's 0. Okay, if it's less than a of I, then we say largest number equals a of I. That's it, I think. So in the first case, where I is 0, it's definitely going to be the first number. If it hits this, it'll hit this as well. But since we're only saying it has to be less than, it won't like double initialize it. So these two won't overlap. So if the next number is bigger, this will work. Yep. That should work. cool. Cool. Return largest number. Actually, yeah, that's fine. Actually, oops. Return largest number. Okay, cool. And then for the smallest number, we can just rename it, and then we're literally just gonna flip this. And we can change the name on the variable just to be less confusing. So smallest number, smallest number. Okay, I'm gonna hope and pray that this works. Yeah, I should do it. Cool. And then okay, since I returned it and I didn't just make it output what the actual number was in that function, I'm gonna make two variables, int a and b. And I'm just gonna set these equal to whatever number got returned. So largest number is, oh yeah, that's right. Oops, oh my god. Array b array. Okay, so yeah. So now we can output what they are. So the largest number is a, then period, and then the smallest number is the small. How long have I been recording? Smallest number is, and then plus b. Oops, stop. Okay, cool. Save. Alright, now the moment of truth. Will it work? It should work. Oh, whoops. Alright, let me just do this really quick, just to make it clean. There we go. Okay, let's redo this, just so it's clearer to see. Okay, cool. So we have 186, 34, 47, 32, 5, 75, 69, 36, and 3. And obviously we found the largest number and the smallest number. Okay. And that's it.